Smells like death. Today we're making undead flowers. You will need white crepe paper streamers, rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, alcohol ink, scissors, glue, and 26 gauge floral wire. You can use colored streamers as well. I just prefer to make my own colors, and I'll show you how. Cut a length of crepe paper. Fold it in half, and again, and again, and again. Cut a few more lengths and do the same, all with different final widths. Pour some rubbing or isopropyl alcohol into a small container and add a few drops of color. Soak it up with each bundle of crepe paper until you're happy with the color variant. You can do this with multiple colors on the same bundle. Do this with a green color as well. These will be your leaves and stem. Let dry. Cut your petals. Make some of them smaller, these will be the inner petals of the flower, and some of them larger for the outer petals. Use your thumb to smooth the creases in the wider part of the petal to create more dimension. Cut a stem length of wire and dab glue along one end. Take one of your smaller petals and wrap it around the stem. Add a little more glue as you go. Let sit for a few moments before adding the next petal and the next. You can start another flower while waiting for petal layers to dry. To make the leaves, we're going to fold the crepe streamer the same way, but then we're going to snip the folded sides off. Cut diagonally. Pay attention to the direction of the paper wrinkles as you go. The wrinkles should fan up and out. Dab glue along the inside edge of one triangle. Fold it around the wire. Put a little more glue over top of this seam. Take your second triangle, again making sure the wrinkles are fanning up and out in the opposite direction. Place it over top of the wire and gently pat it down. Next, cut your leaf shape. You can make a template or eyeball it as you like. If you're the kind of person that loves a template, I've added a few to my Patreon, patreon.com/AliceLaFay. Gently bend the wire to give a little life and movement to your leaf. Take another piece of dyed green streamer and cut it into thin strips. Add a dot of glue at the base of your flower and attach a strip at an angle. Dab more glue down the wire and wrap, adding leaves and trimming stems as you go. And you're done. Decorate your hat, tuck them behind your ear, or fill them with spider eggs and send them to your friends.